In this video we're going to go through the option of divisions. Again, this is on the same screen as that has the other options available to go through. Also in this sidebar, I'm just leaving this the same as having a competition with 50 entrants and big tipping staff managing the answering of email inquiries and queries from your customers. And we will add divisions to it just so you can see how the cost works as well as the features. So it will default to no. Most competitions probably don't use divisions, but it is a great additional tool because it builds up some extra rivalry within your tipping competition. So we just have 3 defaults that you can select from. You can either choose one or all of them. The first one obviously is state. If you're in a country that has states, such as Australia and America. And this will create a ladder based on states. So if somebody joins and they select that they're in New South Wales, they will be a part of the overall tipping competition for your business, as well as getting a rank and being in the ladder for just New South Wales. And on top of that, we will have a ladder or ranking for each of the states, which uses the average over each of the entrants from each state to give them an overall score per round and for the season. So, if New South Wales is on top of the ladder, people from Queensland have a bit of extra motivation to put their tips in, to keep coming back, to keep trying their best to help their state get to the top of the ladder. So the cost for using divisions is $150, as we can see in our running total, and that is regardless of if you use one or all 3. So team is a fantastic one. We've kind of got AFL, NRL and Super Rugby as examples here. So you will just have all of the teams for that single sporting code. So if it's Super Rugby, it'll be all of the teams in Super Rugby, and they'll have a ladder based on how the entrants who support each team are going in that. And of course, as people go through and register for your competition, they will be asked for what team they support to help with this. If you're in a country that doesn't have states, you can just unclick the state and multiple countries compete against each other, supporter groups compete against each other, and it really does add that extra bit of competitiveness, enjoyment and interest for your competition.